Happy Canada Day. I have a message. I did not memorize it, so I'm going to read it out to you. But it comes from the heart. So happy Canada Day to all of our fellow Canadians. And anybody that's living in Canada that feels like they are Canadian. We are celebrating a lot of years, even though we're still a young country. But we're celebrating not only the beautiful country's rich history and values, but the freedom and the opportunities that make it such a wonderful place to call home. As we reflect on how far we've come, let's also take a moment to consider how we can continue to build a secure and prosperous future, not just for ourselves, but for our family and future generations. Just as Canada's foundation was built on hard work, unity, and vision, so too can we create that lasting wealth and security with careful planning, thoughtful decisions. Wishing you all a safe, joyful day of celebration, and may your financial future continue to thrive. Happy Canada Day, everyone, from all of us at Levesque Wealth Planning. You asked, we answered. Until the next video.